Hey guys, this is Karen with Planning with Care Bear, and today I'm going to be planning out the week of October 16th through the 22nd in my Erin Condren Hourly Life Planner. I didn't really do much in this. This is the week right here, Sunday, and I just kind of didn't feel like putting anything down. It's kind of been a roller coaster of emotions. I was supposed to have my surgery on Tuesday, and then they called and they moved it to Friday, and then they called again and was trying to move it again, and so my surgery is going to be on the 17th. I still have not had my surgery yet, so I've just kind of been feeling woe is me. So what I'm going to be using this week, hope you guys can see this. I did get this in from Erin Condren, and I don't know what happened. I filmed the haul of all that, and then I don't know if I deleted it or if something else happened. So I don't know. Sorry about that, guys. But in that one, I also got two of the what did I do with them? Show you these real quick. Got two of these, which is you pick out what month you want to start with or whatever, and I'm doing that. This one is going to be my 2025 content planner. I've already got the one set up that's going to be this next year. And also in that, and I don't know why when I checked out I did not look at this total, but I ordered two of the Inspire Compact Vertical layout starting in January. So it's going to be January through December of 2024. If you're interested in this, then please put a comment down below. It also will have your compliment cards, your little white circle here, your 20% offs, and then you will have a ruler, and then here is the perpetual calendar. So this one is not, I mean, other than me opening it and trying to figure out why I ordered two of them, I haven't done anything else with it. I did get some pictures of it earlier. Sorry guys, I have got to trim this cuticle back. It's just literally bothering me. I may have to put a band-aid on it. Me being on blood thinner, I kind of, hang on guys. Okay, my daughter is going to get me a band-aid, so, and that's another thing about my surgery, because I take a blood thinner twice a day, and since how now it's been moved 3 times, by the time I get in there to have my surgery on Tuesday, I will be off of my blood thinner for 10 days, which is not ideal, especially when you have, mine was blood clots in my lungs. So I'm not really keen on missing these many. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go over the kit that I'm going to be using in this planner. And then I'll also be using the Daily Duo one in my A5 Daily Duo. I did get a new planner that starts in January. And it is the Compact Vertical. I missed using that. So, and I was going to say, and this right now is how big my A5 Daily Duo. So I've got this from Black Dog Sticker Co. It's K-171. This one is the 2024 date strips, which is H. And then I've got the sampler. So it's K-171A. And then I've got B, which is your full boxes. I've got your D, which is thin washi, and I've got L, which is your dash labels, and then F, which is pattern pattern labels. Why was that all so hard to come up with? And like I said, I know I gave you the kit number. I don't know if I gave you the actual name of the kit, which is Wicked, so I will be using this one in here, as well as in my A5W Duo. So I need to take some of this stuff off here. Take this out. Thank you, baby girl. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna get more Band-Aids and put them in my desk drawer in here. We always say we're going to, and then I forget. Okay, so now we're going to go right here, and I'm going to pull up my bin washi. But yeah, this mat is the In Bloom mat, and I contemplated it a while before I even made the okay. I mean, I gave myself permission to get it, and I also double checked with I double checked with Sarah from Plan Sarah Plan. She has one, and she told me she loves it. So her positive thoughts about this is what made me go ahead and pull the plug on it. Okay. My daughter and I went to Walmart today, and we got these pajamas, and they're matching, and they have little white circles on it, and then across the chest in pink it says Mary, and I love them very much. Okay, let's see. Trying to decide which washi. Okay. Use this green one right here. And that one still is a little bit short, so, I mean long, so I need to. I think one thing that's going to take some getting used to is the, let's see if I can swing you over there, these, like loops for the, you know, whatever you want to keep there. They're just, it's really stiff right now, so I need to just, get it broken into using them. And that, of course, did not get it perfectly, but it will be a-okay. To put this, the skulls there, and then I'm going to put the bones right here on top of it. Okay. Got these lined up. Put this one on top. Maybe I should have went the other way. The skulls and then the bones, but oh well. Okay, got that. I'm hoping that this is not coming over as far as boring. I am pretty tired tonight. Okay. And I'm worried about my husband today, or he was getting in the shower earlier. We ended up going out to eat, and all of a sudden I heard him like profoundly cussing, and I couldn't figure out what was wrong. I still don't know what is wrong, but I'm thinking he either has pulled a tendon or something. I was gonna take him to the emergency room, and then he decided that he would be okay. So you know how men, how they psych themselves out by not going oval. I'm gonna be manly and not gonna worry about it, but we'll see. I told him if she was still having the pain when I got ready to go to bed tonight, that I was going to take him to urgent care. So we'll see if he will actually let me do that. Okay. And also, I hope as well that y'all will forgive me because I do have a lot of nerves going on as far as my back surgery, and it's just, I'm scared. And then I've got to call the surgeon tomorrow because I've never moved my asthma allergist appointment because it was already supposed to have been done, and then that way I'm not going to, I wasn't going to have to miss my, my asthma allergist. But now my appointment is the day that I'm going to have surgery. So, gotta love it, right? Oh, there it is. And I want to move this down. I also am going to be doing towards like the end of the month, or just kind of film this one I'm talking about like when I feel like it's right. But I want to do a planner update. It's the ones that I started the week at, or the month, the year out with, and the ones that I'll be taking over into 2024. So I hope you guys will find that interesting. Okay, so now I've got put this I have a candle burning in my office, and it smells so good. Haley, you like it? Haley, you like the candle that I have burning? Mm-hmm. It gives off a really good throw as far as the scent. Okay, so we got this one done here. Okay, so I forgot to write down my weather. So let me pull up the weather and I will be right back. Okay, I have all of the weather in and I've developed the hiccups. Okay, so now I'm going to trying to decide what I want to do this whole thing right here. Okay. Go ahead and put in my weekend script. And I was going to be doing the Vlogtober for you guys, but then after the surgery, it just did not give me enough time to be able to take off for surgery and then still get enough content for you guys. So I'm going to try it again with Vlogmas. Okay, I'm not going to use these. I'm going to put this right here. And then I'm just going to put it down here at the bottom. That's where I used to use it all the time, was down here. And then, okay, so I got that. I am liking that. Okay, so now, okay. One, two, three. Let's see. I got one of these cups. It's like the Stanley dupe, but it's from Amazon, and I paid like, it was less than 20. I think it was like $15.99, and it just kept my ice all day long in it. I am loving it so much. Because the ones I was getting from Five Below were not stainless steel, and this one is kept it cold. Let's see. Okay. Okay. I have to put some heavy books down on this to keep this from curling up. Okay, let's see. These right here, today I am thankful. I ordered enough of those where I could put it down for every day in November, so I can have it be where I could list what I'm thankful for. Or maybe that day I just don't have, I mean, I always have something to be thankful for, but like don't have time to jot it down, and I can just take time and look at that like, okay, this is why I'm being thankful. Okay. Okay, now that I've got a plan, I'm going to and I need to do go well, let me see here. Okay, so I got the to go, and then I've got okay. Okay, so we got to go. Haley, one of the animals is out the door. To call, I needed to call. I got it to go. And then this one is to clean. Okay, so got those. Oh, I need to put this one in a, oh, no. I need to get an orange one because I don't have the orange. Okay, so this one's going to be should clean, should do. There you go. Okay, so now I need to get a no, that's not the one I need. Acting up on me. I think that I've never filmed a day in my life. Okay, so we're gonna do, I've got orange for this week. I've got to clean, to go this week. Let's see. Okay, hopefully that will be okay. So we'll see how this goes. Okay. We got to do, and I do not remember ordering these, but I did. Just I'm not really sure what to do with them now. Okay, so we're gonna do Okay, so I'm going to put this flag here. And then I'm going to put, I had gotten this week out, but I want to make it all be cohesive. Okay, I'm going to do this week. And okay. Okay, so now we're going to do these asterisks for each day of the week. I have misplaced my tweezers, so that these I'm using are not the best. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the TV. I normally like to film when my husband's at work because he's a little bit hard of hearing, and so that's why I don't normally film on the weekends. Okay, so now I'm going to do okay. Okay, so we got that one down. I'm going to put okay, and then do there, and put these dots down here, and then I will continue. Okay, I've got the sidebar done here, except the habit trackers down here at the bottom. So, let's see. I keep seeing these like little dots here, and I keep thinking that that there's a stain or something on my, and it's not, it's just me being me. Okay, got the read one. Okay. Got the read there, and then Good Lord. Okay. Now that I got that whited out. Okay, and then I'm going to put this water. Try to turn it down there. I do know that my surgery being on Tuesday, they said it, the earliest I will be getting there is at 5:30, and then the latest will be 8 o'clock a.m.